This tuna salad is very healthy, wicked delicious. I promise you, you will not miss the mayo. I have half an avocado here, which I mashed. I'm going to add a small can of tuna in brine, which I drained. I'm going to use a lime. You can use a lemon. I'm going to zest a little bit in here. These limes are very juicy, so I'm just going to squeeze half of one in here. I'm going to add some finely chopped red onion and some finely chopped parsley. Let's call it a tablespoon of each. Some salt, pepper. This is optional, guys. We're gonna add a little bit of the brine of some sliced jalapeños. It's gonna give it a little zing. And I'm going to go ahead and chop some of these and put them in there. Completely optional. You could use pickle as well. That is very good. But guys, you could eat this scooped on top of a salad. Fantastic. You could eat it in lettuce, of course, beautiful. You could even eat it in half of an avocado. This is really, really good, guys. If you keep this off bread, very low carb. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.